Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So let me tell you guys, I recorded this video earlier, right? I'm so disappointed. So I recorded my Boxycharm video for you guys, and then I realized as I was playing it back to edit it to put up for you guys, because it should have been up by now, I didn't realize that this v-neck that I am wearing right now was pushed over to the side, so it was a little too much cleavage going on. So I just kept watching and watching. I was like, okay, can I deal with that? Can I do? Nope. So I just had to delete that whole thing of me opening my Boxycharm box that I just got today. So I do apologize. I can't say I cheated, but I did record this, but now I gotta re-record it. So anywho, I got my Boxycharm box for October, and as you can see, it's already open. It just came today, and like I said, I recorded it. I thought I was done. I didn't even realize till the playback that all of that was showing. And this is a family-friendly channel, so I had to delete it. Okay, so with that being said, let me share with you guys what I got inside of my October Boxycharm box. And I guess you guys know I normally don't like to cheat and tell you what everything is, but now I already know what it is, so I feel so ugh. So anyways, this month was Alter Ego, and it looks like that. And for anybody that doesn't know, Boxycharm is a $21 subscription box that comes once a month. It is full-size products, and I think it is one of the best boxes out there. I do not have a discount code, but I will link Boxycharm in the description box in case you want to order you one if you don't know about it. Okay, so let's jump into this. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is this Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and it looks like this. It comes in this kind of container, and it is 1.7 fluid ounces. And let me see, it says a nourishing facial cleansing balm that melts away makeup and pollution residue for even the boldest eye makeup, and long wear foundation is easily removed. So when I open it, it has the little top right there. Look at that. It's really, really light green. And what I noticed about the fragrance is that to me, it smells like lemon lime sherbet. Yes, like the ice cream. It has a really light lemon lime sherbet fragrance, and it smells so good. So I cannot wait to give this a try to see if it's going to take away my eye makeup when I'm wearing like a full face. So this was in there, and it retails for $22. That is not bad at all. So that was in there. Now this is what shocked me the most. This is a Dermovia. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's what it looks like right here. It is a lace and peel black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. You heard me right. A lace mask. I have never ever heard of anything like this, but then again, I'm not really big into masks, and so yeah, so it says intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. The peel intensity level of this is medium. Now I've seen people peel their mask off before, and it looks like it hurts. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I'm a little scared. But we will see. And it says you get 2 lace masks in here, and it is very, very interesting for it to be a compression, like a compression mask with lace support. Like, I'm just confused by that, period. It does retail for $30, so pretty much $15 for each mask, and that is good. Like I said, this box is only $21, so the 2 products I just showed you already surpassed the $21. So yeah. The next thing in the box is this Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and it is in the color Super Black, and it looks like this. And before I put it down, it retails for $24, and this is like one of my favorite things to get is mascara. I love trying different mascaras. It's like one of my favorite things. And so the packaging looks like this, really sleek and black, and it has the IT logo on the top. And this is what the wand looks like. It was just really straight not curved or anything, and it's not, the bristles are not too big, and you know, so I think this is going to be nice. I cannot wait to try it. What did it say? It says lash changing power, brush wraps every lash from base to tips for super volume, super length, and super elastic strength. I mean stretch. Strength. Stretch. Who needs some strong eyelashes? I guess somebody do, huh? Okay, so that was in there as well. That was item number 3. You guys know there is 5 items in here. So the next thing that they sent me was this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and the color was Hawkwind, and it looks like this. And earlier when I did a swatch on my hand, I literally just had to wash that off, and it is matte. This is a matte lipstick, and it was really pretty. It looks like a chocolate brown. And what I will say is I love Kat Von D lipsticks, her liquid lipsticks and everything. The matte formula is really nice, and it has like a staying power to it. So this was in there as well, and it retails for $20. Okay, now we're moving on to the last item. And you guys know Boxycharm always sends a eyeshadow palette. So this was really cool. It's by Pure, like that, and it is called Midnight Masquerade. The packaging is simply beautiful. And so let me show you what it looks like. And this retails, before I show you, for $38. And I love the Pure brand cosmetics. It's really nice. There is a small mirror right here at the top, and it has the plastic covering on it, so you'll get a reflection. But this is what it looks like. These are blushes right here, and over here you have some eyeshadows. So the colors are really pretty. I see a lot of shimmer in the eyeshadow. I see only one matte formula, a lot of shimmer, and then I guess that's satin. I'm not too sure, but they are really pretty, and I am excited to use this. Yeah, Boxycharm definitely helps me to build my eyeshadow collection. So was that it? That is it. Did I give you all the prices? Yeah. So that is it. I really hate that I'm recording this again, but I'm gonna be really busy for the rest of the day and tomorrow, and I wanted to open this earlier. I wanted to open it when I first got it, so that's why I'm posting this now, so that you guys can see. Now let me know down in the comment section if we have identical boxes, or did you get something different in your box. I like to always know if we all got the same thing, or who got something a little bit different in their box. And then also let me know, if you don't receive Boxycharm, will you be signing up for Boxycharm? So that is it. I think I have some kind of code in my email. Just check down in the description box. Whatever I know, it'll be down there for you guys. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching me unbox my October Boxycharm. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.